There are reports coming in of clashes that have erupted outside the Presidency College in Kolkata. What's exactly happened? What are these clashes all about? Let's get in the details from Shambhit, who's now on the phone line with us. Shambhit, what are these clashes all about? Who has clashed with whom? Just give us an idea of what's happening right now outside the Presidency College in the city.
See, what you have got to know that a while back, some supporters of TMCP, they were carrying their flags, their party flags, and they had gathered in front of Presidency College, which is now known as Presidency University gate, and they were shouting slogans outside the gate, and the gate was put on lock and key. But they had allegedly broken that lock, and they had entered the Presidency University campus and then went on a rampage. They went inside the classrooms and where the classes were on, the seminar was on inside the university at the time when this incident had happened, and then they ransacked the classrooms, and also laboratory of the physics department was completely ransacked by these hooligans who were there. In fact, reports are suggesting, and also the eyewitnesses were telling us that these were the TMCP workers. They were carrying their party flags, and they had entered the Presidency University campus and then went on a rampage. They have actually destroyed the famous Baker Laboratory of the Presidency University. This is unprecedented. In fact, the professors who were there, they were telling us that Presidency University, which was known to be a hub of Naxalites once upon a time during 70s, then also this kind of attacks didn't take place. But this is unprecedented that as part of the protest and agitation by TMC workers, this was probably done by TMC workers. The TMCP leadership is now denying the charges. They're saying that these are not our supporters, but what eyewitnesses were telling us that these were TMCP supporters chanting slogans in favor of TMCP, and they were carrying TMCP flags, and they were mostly outsiders. None of them are the students of Presidency University. In fact, TMCP does not have any presence in that sense in Presidency University, which has been turned into an university a few months back. In fact, this is the latest we are getting, that classes were completely ransacked. The students are really scared at this moment because some of them are reportedly heckled as well.